Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. I am so excited today. I'm here to bring you a mega food pantry haul, and I got my first sponsor.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Check this out. Amzchef. They sent me a juicer to review for you guys. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you all about it and if it's good or if it's not. But what I do like about it, they know me. It's red. If anybody knows me, I got to have my red. I love it. It comes with all these parts and pieces that seem to be easy to put together. We're going to find out. Oh, and check this out. It comes with its own thermos. So you can put your juice right in here and go to your run, go to the gym, whatever you want to do. That's cool. But first, let's go to the food pantry items. You won't believe what I got. We're going to start from the left to the right. Okay, check it out, guys. We've got some water. I got 3 bottles of the water. And I've got, some half and half. They call this an Arnold Palmer. The light version. That's so funny. Nobody, I guess, wanted to buy this. I will taste this and tell you if it's any good. I also got some long grain rice, which I've been using a lot of lately. I've got some walnuts. Oh, yeah. Natural raisins. Oh, look at this. We're in baker's heaven. I've got some Dove chocolate. We've got what? Milk chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and caramel. Oh, that's going to be good. Some roasted almonds. Some more chocolate, dark chocolate with a hint of sea salt. We've got some 70% cocoa dark chocolate, premium dark chocolate. Then over here, check this out. We got some white chocolate caramel cappuccino mix. Oh, now you know. You know. Oh, and check this out. Cinnamon butter extract. You know how expensive this stuff is? This is great. I'm going to get this to Miss Brenda so she can bake up some good stuff. I got some Frosted Flakes. 2 packs of macaroni and cheese. Now, you know I don't use the seasoning packet. I make my own. But I use the pasta. Good stuff. Look at this. A whole thing of pretzels. Pretzels. And they're peanut butter flavored. I'm going to get these to Miss Brenda too, so she can put those over a cookie or something. I got some Mentos. Check that out. All different flavors. What does it say here? Fruit flavors. And Lord knows I need a Mentos. Over here, we have some corn. Look at that, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we got some oranges. You know what? We are right on time with that juicer. When you see fruit like this, yeah, it's ugly, but you know what it's good for? Juicing. You can peel these, chop them up however you want, and juice them. They make excellent juice. We got 3 kiwis. And I don't know what these are, but I tried one and they're delicious. They're like a combination between a pear and a hint of rosemary. Now, I know that sounds weird, but it tastes delicious. I'm telling you, this is great. Oh, we got some butter. I think this is butter lettuce back here. Yeah. Make a quick salad with that. Or put it in the juicer for some green juice. Look at this, y'all. I'm in love. I am in love. Huge watermelon. Watermelon. Yes. I'm going to be juicing that too. I'm going to have a video on my watermelon juice, and you're going to love it. Look at this. We got some collard greens. 2 bushels. So you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking about having a soul food / Puerto Rican barbecue. Now, we got some yams. Oh, yeah. I'm going to clean these up, and I can either bake them or I can make candied yams with them. You can also make sweet potato pie, and you can make sweet potato pudding. I got a cabbage. That's going to be good. I can make some coleslaw to go with the greens in the barbecue. Yeah. Look, I got a bag of red delicious apples. Look at that. That is so cool. That is so cool. Wow. And then, no salt peas. My absolute favorite. Because I don't believe in all that sodium. Y'all know that. I got some whole kernel corn. I finally pronounced it right. No salt added. Then that dynamic duo, peanut butter and jelly. I'm so silly. Oh, now you know what? We finally got some good tuna. We got 2 cans of chicken of the sea, chunked like tuna in water. Yum. We got 2 cans of that. So I'm going to make a light summer tuna salad. I'm going to show you how you do that. Then we got some deep sea pink salmon. I still got Dean on the scene coming to do that. Some chicken noodle soup. Mixed fruit. We're going to make some mixed fruit tropical drinks, y'all. You're going to love those. We got some Hormel chili with beans. We can make chili dogs for the kids. Some black beans. Maybe make some black bean soup again. Or make them spicy to go with the Puerto Rican barbecue. And these will be the beans on the side. Yes, yes. With some cilantro and onions. Some sazon. Yeah, it'll be good. Speaking of the kids, mini beef ravioli. I'm going to show you what you do with this. It's real simple, real easy, real quick. You bake this. The kids will love it. You don't have to worry about it. Now check this out. We got some meat. A bag of boneless, skinless chicken breasts with rib meat. 3 pounds. Yeah, all kind of things I can make with this. Chicken fingers, grilled, chicken Vesuvio. Now look, we got some chicken thighs. I think they're going to be part of the barbecue. I'm going to marinate them in some sazon and stuff and just make it really good. And then we got a pound of ground beef. Possibilities are endless with this. I've shown you before how to make your own hamburger helper. I have a video for that. I'll put a link to that as well. Now, let's get a pan of everything we got. Look at that. Wow. What a blessing. Nieces and nephews, I am so excited. This is the first product someone's given me to review, and they gave it to me. It's a juicer. Let me tell you what comes with it. You get the power cable, the motor base, on and off switch, okay? This is the locking button, the juice container, the pulp extractor, container, the food pusher to push the fruit through. You got the number 8 is the hopper. Oh, that would be this right here, where you put the stuff in. Then you get the feed chute and the drum, which is one piece, this. The auger, which is this. The juice screen, right here. The end cap, that's this. And you also get a wrench. Now, I didn't have to use the wrench for this. Let me show you something, how quickly this thing just goes together. I know that seems like a lot, but check it out. We take this, put this doohickey in here. Boom. See that? Take this, put it in there. Boom. You take this, insert it into here, turn it, it clicks into place. So then, put this on, it clicks into place. Put this on, you're all set to go. I think that took me about 5 minutes. Oh, you get a cleaner. And like I said before, I love this little thermos that you can take with you. Now, I tell you what, since we got it together, y'all want to make some juice? Come on. All right, nieces and nephews, let's put this thing to the test. Oh, by the way, doesn't it look good on my countertop? I got my red blender. Now I got my red juicer. Oh, yeah. All right. Also, if you look down here, this knob is the power knob. It turns it to stop. It goes from soft to hard. That's for tougher stuff. So I think the apples I'll do on hard. I got some watermelon with apples here. I'll do those on the soft, this part. Oh, back to stop. And it has a reverse. I'm assuming if something gets caught, so it can release it. Yeah, check that out. Okay, let's put it on hard. Right there. And I'm gonna put my apples through. My camera stopped there for a second. All right. I'm putting my apples through, y'all. One thing though, make sure your fruit is you chop it up small enough to go into the chute. But it does pretty much the work for you. Look at that. Oh. Let's put some watermelon in here. Oh wow, that went in real easy. Ooh, you get a lot of juice out of this thing. All right. All right. I don't know how this is going to taste. Let's see. That's pretty good. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's good. Well, you know what? I like it. I like it. Let's go over here. Okay. Pros and cons. It is nice looking. It does have easy ability to just put this thing together and use it the moment you get it. You do have to chop the fruit up, but I will say this. That's a con. The pro is that by you chopping the food up, you won't have the problem of your machine breaking down the way my other juicer did, because I put too big of a piece in there and the motor burned out. But this prevents you from doing that, and also you get a lot more juice. Look how dry the pulp is. Can you see that? It's almost dry. Now don't throw this away, because you can use this for mulch in your garden or make cakes out of it, but I'm gonna use it for mulch in my garden. But look how much juice I got from just that little amount of fruit. I got a lot. And then I can always use this. Can you see that? Almost perfect. Put my top on. You got your juice ready to go. I like this little gadget. You know what, nieces and nephews? I'm going to put a link where you can get it, where you can buy this juicer. I do like it. It's nice. Oh, I got a promo code. You can get 10% off. Uncle Chris. Use promo code Uncle Chris and you get 10% off. But yeah, it's nice. It's cool. I like it. And I'm going to keep it. This thing is so simple. I'm going to do another video on it in depth. about how to clean it and everything. But yeah, this is a cool gadget. This right here, this is it. Oh yeah, Amzchef. I'm so glad they had me do this product because I really needed a juicer and I needed a good one. And this one's easy to use because I hated that other thing. It had so many parts to it that were not easy to put together. So, with that said, look down below. You're going to see the link where you can get it. And you use my code, Uncle Chris, to get 10% off. Okay? All right. Now, write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. You're going to, let's do a challenge. I want you all to get your juicer and start juicing with me. And let's see how much weight we can lose together. I challenge you, nieces and nephews. Your Uncle Chris is challenging you. Let's be healthy this summer. Let's see how much weight we can lose. And by Christmas, we will be the creme de la creme. All right. I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. And tune in tomorrow when I do the thorough thing on the juicing. And, this thing comes with, hold on, juice recipes. I absolutely love this thing. I'm going to tell you what. This is going to be sitting on my counter. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. And you know how you clean it up? Real simple. I've unplugged it. I press that release button. I turn it. Pull this thing out. And I can put this in the dishwashing. All right, nieces and nephews. Till tomorrow, I want you to do something good for yourself and someone else.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone